Hello everyone, this is KVS Arora. Here I have a message for all those students who belong to information technology, computer science or computer application field. Well, I know that it's a quarantine time period but you have been facing problems regarding your final year projects. I know there are a number of students who are into final semester of BCA, MSCIT, MSCCS or VSCIT or MCA particular. And you might be worrying too that how to complete your final year project and how to submit that before the deadline. I know that deadlines has been changed right now because we are uncertain that when will exam happen, but an exam will happen. So till then you need to prepare yourself completely. You should be up to your mark with your academic and up with the project as well. So there might be problems with their projects regarding designing, development, technical skills, or there are a number of things particular. So you don't need to worry about these things because me and my team are here to help you out. What we can do for you, that's a major thing. Well, we can help you out in your developing your projects. We can help you with designing, we can help you with your development, we can help you with your database as well, and we can help you out with the project report writing too. So don't worry, any kind of issue we will be dealing with it. Apart from that, we can teach you about the academic subjects as well, from C language to Java or Android, from networking to artificial intelligence. We have a team of expertise of particular subjects. We are doing it as a private service and we will be doing this for those students who contact us personally. Secondary, there are a number of things which we can provide you in particular service field. We can train those students who are developing their projects in PHP, in Node.js, in Android or FLUTTER development. Particular, we can help every person who are doing their project in website, in web apps or mobile app. Particular Android mobile app, not iOS one. So for that you just need to contact us on this particular number 8699 757 756. This is the number you can contact us on Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube as well. You can call us directly as well. We'll be contacting you definitely, and we'll be signing one particular person or one particular team against you to help you out in your project or particular subject. Make sure this is not a kind of tuitions particular. You will be getting the lectures first. So even if you are having just tiny part of your entire syllabus, for example, take it as if you are having issues with the classes and the objects of the Java, you can make sure that you will be learning only these things and you will be paying for this only. So it's a kind of concept we are coming with to help you out. So hope you are going to contact us as soon as possible. Don't waste your time in quarantine, just utilize it to be the best version of yourself so that once this lockdown is over, you are prepared to face the challenges which are going to come to you. Thank you.